Let's cook 2 recipe today. Sichuan pickle soup and black fungus chicken shredded salad. Let's cook Sichuan pickle soup today. Sichuan pickle is rich in nutrients, rich in protein, keratin, dietary fiber, minerals, etc., and is known as natural MSG. Sichuan pickle suitable and taste great in many recipe from soup to stir fry also. Let's start cooking now. Ingredients are potato, tomato, onion, and Sichuan vegetable. Cubes potato. Cubes tomato. Cubes onion. Sliced Sichuan vegetable. Add all the ingredients, bring to a boil over high heat and then simmer over medium-low heat for an hour. This soup no seasoning is needed. Sichuan pickle has enough saltiness. Look at the clear soup, smells so good. It's warm to have a bowl of hot soup at home. Cook this delicious soup for your family too. Please follow my channel to support me. Thanks for your support. Let's make hand-shredded chicken and black fungus salad on a hot day. This recipe is healthy and less oily, perfect for weight control. The shredded chicken is neither dry nor woody, and the meat is smooth and delicious. This recipe suitable for everyone. Save this recipe and make for your family. Ingredients are cucumber, bell peppers, carrot, and black fungus. Sliced carrot. Optional to blanch carrot slices for softened texture. Raw carrot slices with crispy texture. Sliced bell peppers. Bell pepper is not spicy at all. It tastes sweet and crunchy. Sliced cucumber. Cucumber tastes better without seeds. sliced black fungus. It is rich in carbohydrates, protein, iron, calcium, vitamins, and other nutrients, and has extremely high nutritional value. Cook black fungus for 3 minutes. Soak black fungus in cold water, drain and set aside. Drumsticks marinate in advance. Take out and steam for 20 minutes. Remove drumstick from Instant Pot and let it cool. Hand shredded and remove chicken bones. Add in all ingredients, mix well. Drizzle sesame oil. Black fungus chicken shredded is done. Seeing the 5-color salad makes me feel better. Save this recipe. Your family will love it. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. You may purchase salted chicken powder from grocery store. If not, you can marinate with salt and pepper also. Please follow and like my channel to support me. Thanks in advance for your support and follow. Black fungus is known as the king of vegetables and has high nutritional value. Black fungus is sweet in taste and neutral in nature and has the functions of detoxifying, clearing the stomach and intestines, coagulating blood and stopping bleeding. Thanks for watching. See you in